Ayo, do this shit in one take. Ayo,
Ayo, that fire shit, nigga.
Ayo, run it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I haven't decided if I wanted to make this a get ready with me or a tutorial. It most likely will be a get ready with me because I don't have that much time because I'm getting ready for work. I did get a second job. This is why I have not been recording as much, which I really didn't record often in the past, but still I'm letting y'all know. But yeah, this is gonna be a get ready with me because, you know. And I did get new goodies. I did get the Morphe 9A palette. Roxy has one and I love the color, so I was like, you know what, let me take it because this is like an everyday palette and you can glam it up if you want to. I also got the Soft Glam palette that was purchased by my best friend Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Shout out to you, boy. These colors are so pretty. I think this is like my favorite palette out of the three. The three, right? Prisms of Culture. Oh no, the fourth. Oh, and I also got the Kat Von D setting powder. I had the Petra Star, the MAC setting powder, but I ran out, and I always like to try new things, not just stick with that one product. There are a couple products that I do stick to, which is the Anastasia pomade. I also got the Better Than Sex mascara. Well, actually, Roxy purchased this for me. She just came and surprised me with it. She said, hey, do you need something from Ulta? And I was like, oh my god, no one's ever asked me that before. Alright, so let's get on with the video because I feel like I done talked way too much. So yeah, I already prepped my face with the Mario Badescu water, which is my favorite. I did have the MAC Fix Plus, but I feel like this you can use for many different things. You can spray this before you go to bed, and like, I don't know. So I'm gonna start off with the Anastasia pomade to do my brows. I'm gonna speed this up because it probably will take, you know, a whole century. So yeah, let me go ahead and speed this up and then I'll get right with you. Now that the brows are done, I'm gonna go in with the foundation stick in the color Banana. This is actually a highlighting shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and carve out the brows. Up next, I'm gonna be priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I feel like it's a little light, so it'll be perfect for giving my eyeshadows a little bit of a boost. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab, I don't even know what the fuck this is. Oh, the BH Cosmetics 101 brush. This was in a 7-piece eye brush set by BH Cosmetics, I believe. I'm going to use the Soft Glam palette today and go in with Orange Soda and this 101 brush by BH Cosmetics. You can get this at bhcosmetics.com. I am gonna run this on my crease and use this as a transition shade. This is again Orange Soda. Okay, now using the Sonia Kashuk blending brush. So I'm going to use Burnt Orange. I didn't get the Subculture palette because everybody talked about how chalky they were and how they would fall apart like when you would put your brush in. And I did test it out at the Edge Beauty store. The Edge something. I don't know, it's a store in Dillard's. And I did test it out, like they had a display, like a tester out. And I did play with it, and the eyeshadows were like just falling apart. They were giving up on me as I touched them. So I didn't get it, but this one, I feel like this one's kind of the same. Because, let me show y'all. Oh. See all that fallout? That's a lot of fallout. Look at that. I'm going to grab the color Rustic, which is this color right here. It's a brown taupey color, and I feel like it'll complement the oranges very well. I think I'm gonna go with a, I don't know what kind of look I'm going for, to be honest. I figure it out toward the end. I'm going to apply this on the crease, more so on the corner, and then work my way into the rest of the crease, the inner crease. This actually ended up being a tutorial. You're welcome. So now I'm gonna go back to the 101 BH Cosmetics brush that I mentioned earlier and go ahead and blend those colors together. I'm gonna go in with the Prism palette and go in with Saturn. Now Saturn, I will be applying it with the PK524 brush over the crease and on the outer corner right here and in the outer corner, like that. Go back to your 101 brush, blend that shit out. Okay, looking good so far. We're gonna go in with our friend Jaclyn Hill and her 35 Dream Colors with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. We are going to use this shade right here. Actually, I'm gonna mix these two. I feel like this brown is going to, ew, I'm ugly. I'm fucking ugly. Okay, I'm gonna use this color right here and then mix it in with this shade here. It's a little bit of red undertone, but I feel like the brown will calm it down. I'm going to use MAC 217 brush here. This one is going to be more on the outer corner, and I am going to wing it out just a little, just to elongate that eye. I'm going to go in with Parallel in the Prism palette, and I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics mini brush that I got for my birthday like 3 years ago. I'm going to apply this on the outer corner here, and then work my way into the crease. For the foundation, I am going to go with the 24-Hour Makeup by Lancome. To blend out the foundation, I am using the Morphe sponge. I like the contour of the sponge. I feel like it's perfect to blend out over here and not get into your brows. See that? Brows are still looking sleek. I do like this foundation. I do like the Lancome foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and put that in the inner, you know, in the inner part of my under eyes. All right, and then in the rest of my face, I'm gonna be using the True Match in the color W45. All right, and then blend it out. I'm gonna set using the Kat Von D setting powder. All right, now to contour, I'm gonna go in with the Hula Bronzer. This is a mini version by Benefits, and it looks like so. It's so tiny. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe PK4 brush and contour while I bake. Alright, so while I'm baking, I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on and then apply lashes. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Better Than Sex mascara, and for lashes, I'm gonna go in with the New Bunsen lashes in Bella. You can use code EVE for 20% off, not 10, but 20. Now that the lashes are on, I think it's time for me to remove the powder. I really do like the setting powder. It does brighten up the look. I feel like it does. So I mean, y'all let me know. Like, I feel like it does. Look at it. This is a really good setting powder. I've used it before, but I used it to go to work at my other job, which is a restaurant job, which, you know, if you work all day, you're all sweaty and greasy and all that. I really didn't get to test it out, but it really did leave my face matte. The only place was right here, which is my nose. Obviously, I know my nose. Obviously, I know what a fucking nose is. But I'm saying, like, this is where I got oily on my T-zone, is what I meant to say, not my fucking nose. And I really love these lashes, too, though. Like, it gives me a very, like, feminine, girly vibe, you know, very flirty. I'm gonna use Tarte's blush in the color Party. I'm feeling cute, bitch. Yes, bitch. What the fuck? Let's have a little bit of. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara on the. Oh, I didn't even put eyeshadow. Oh my god, I am sleeping on it. I'm gonna use a little bit of Saturn and Parallel from the Prism palette. I'm gonna run that underneath the lash line. I'm gonna use the brush 105 again from the 7-piece brush set from BH Cosmetics. This is very, very inexpensive. I really like these brushes. They are soft and very sturdy. So I'm going to use the color Lucid from the Prism palette and put that in the inner corners. This is just a silvery, pearly highlight. Very beautiful if you ask me. Look at this. Look at this. It just gives you a more awake look. You know? I am going to highlight my Cupid's bow a little. And I'm also going to use Lucid as a highlight. I'm using an e.l.f. brush. Very inexpensive. I really don't like the fan brushes because I feel like it gives me just one line. With this, you can really maneuver where you want your highlight. Yes. Oh, bitch. Who is this? Who is this? Actually, I don't think that's enough, and I'm going to apply a little bit more highlights. We in the like swimwear. I'm gonna go ahead and set this with the rose water. Hey y'all, I'll be sometimes applying this rose water on my hair, like for like on my ends. All right, so I'm gonna apply Whirl. Can y'all see me? Hello. I'm gonna apply Whirl by MAC on the lip. I'm gonna apply the lip paint by Tarte. I'm gonna put Chi by ColourPop on the center, and I do one line. So this is, let me have some earrings because I look basic. I think Roxy's here too. Oh, that's wrong. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below. Let me know how you feel. Don't forget to add me on my other social medias. It is like a boss on all of them. Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. This is Evelyn tuning out. Beach. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.